In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a Motorcentral car check report with the Motorcentral's DMS and also how to complete an MR13C. So there are two ways to complete a car check report within the DMS. Firstly, from within the main menu up here, and the reason why you'll generate a car check report from up here is if you wanted to complete a check on a vehicle prior to purchasing it. The second way to run a car check is from within a vehicle. You can do this by opening the vehicle you want to generate the report on, or through creating a new vehicle in the DMS. Either way, you'll need to enter the current registration plate number or the vehicle's VIN. To add a plate number, first click the Registered on the NZ Motor Vehicle Register checkbox to enable the plate number field, and then enter the number. Next, click on the Dealer Zone icon to bring up the option to either generate a full vehicle check or a basic vehicle check. For this example, I'm going to run through a full vehicle check. The full vehicle check gives you information on the vehicle's characteristics, the odometer history, current ownership details, checks a PPSR for any money owing, checks the current road user charges status if applicable, checks if the vehicle is stolen against the NZ Police Register, and it also gives you fuel saver information. So here is what the report looks like. As you can see, the first page of the report highlights any areas of concern. Now, the main benefit of completing your car check reports through Motorcentral is you can transfer a lot of the data in the reports directly into your vehicle in Motorcentral's DMS. This saves you a whole heap of time in data entry and can prevent data being incorrectly entered. So, to transfer this data into Motorcentral, simply close the report once you've confirmed everything is as expected and select Download Vehicle Data. This will then automatically enter the information against the vehicle inside the DMS. You will be alerted of any areas that were unable to be populated. You will need to go in and manually enter these. To run a basic report, just follow the exact same process. The other benefit of running your car check reports via Motorcentral's DMS is that any previous report is easily retrievable at any point. Simply go to the main menu as I described earlier and enter the plate or the VIN of the vehicle you want to view that report for. Motorcentral's DMS will now indicate that there was a previously completed report and you can view the content of that report. No need to log into a different system to retrieve it. Finally, the other easy to use integration between Motorcentral's DMS and Motorcentral's car check is lodging your notice of acquisition of a vehicle with the NZTA or an MR13C. We understand that keeping track of the vehicles you have and haven't completed an MR13C for is important, so we've built in an indicator to easily identify vehicles you may need to work with. You can view the status of a vehicle's MR13C directly within the vehicle's inbox. For example, this Mazda 6 has a red minus icon which indicates that an MR13C has not yet been completed, and probably should. So to complete an MR13C, open the vehicle you wish to change the status of. From here, you then open the Purchase Info tab and click the Change button. Select Complete Now to bring up the MR13C transaction, and in order to proceed, you'll be prompted to accept any charges. Once the transaction has been submitted, the MR13C status will automatically change to MR13C completed. The main benefit of completing your MR13Cs inside Motorcentral is that it saves you time as you are not required to leave Motorcentral's DMS. Plus you can easily see which vehicles have and have not been completed. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to generate and retrieve car check reports, as well as lodge your MR13Cs from within Motorcentral.